see in Orlando. Just wanted to show you this little project that we got finished up with here today. Got a little rack here. A couple things in here. Using our Control 4 core Lite and Halo Touch remote. Got some Lutron Caseta dimmers, watt box surge protection, AVpro Edge AC MV41. This system uses 4 Rokus, and we're using the multi-view to display those 4 Rokus, and then the Control 4 will manage that network switch, and then Yamaha RX-A4 for the surround sound. Our projector is the LS9000 from Epson. Laser projector, 2200 lumen. Looks good there. Our screen's 135 EVP. Acoustic weave, zero edge, LED backlight. Pretty straightforward. Got a dozen seats here. These are the Seatcraft Diamanté. Nice seats, tray tables, motorized headrest, LED backlighting. I got memory function and home reset, so that's very nice too. Got a dozen of those, put in the riser. So kind of match the seats. LED kick lights, which is nice. Got our controls over here, so we can dim those lights and control everything built into the setup. So this is a 7-channel. Using the signature speakers, SVS 2000 sub, nothing crazy, but very effective. And everything is managed by the Halo Touch. Let me show you that. So, pretty straightforward. Just hit the watch function, and then you're going to be able to select from any of the Rokus, or we can do multi-view, so I'll show you that. So let's just basically start the system up. It'll go ahead and hop on over to the Roku. System goes into Dolby Surround mode, wireless sub there. This projector boots up pretty quick, probably 30 seconds. We get a picture. All right, and then we've got it where we're going to trip the lights. So once we get a picture here, we should trip the lights. And, okay. Backlight comes on, lights go down, and then we have the ability to navigate Roku. Now if we go into the AVpro Edge here, and then the layouts, then we can see all of our Rokus there. You can select audio for each individual one, switch between the audio. I got PIP mode, PNP mode, side-by-side mode. You can switch these, so any of the pictures, 1:3 mode. Those are kind of presets that come included, and then you can customize the sizing and stuff like that. So if you want to watch like 4 ball games and then have the audio from one playing, no problem, you can do that. We have a video game going on while someone else is watching the movie. So lots of cool functions that you can do there. And so we'll go back to Roku 1. That'll give us full screen. Also can do the lighting if you want to. So recess lighting, have lighting control, step lighting. Let's see here. There's some step lighting. Oh, my finger's in the way. Sorry about that. Step lighting. Very cool. And then to turn the system off, basically just going to hit the top there, hit off. Lights come up, system goes back into home mode. There's our rack. So, if you'd like the system like this in your home, give us a call, 407-351-5798. Check us out online, www.floridahometheaters.com. Thank you for checking out the video. Like and subscribe.